Okay, hello people. This is Hockey God 98. I'm gonna go a little in depth here on my 2019 SS Camaro 1LE. I will show you the outside here in a minute. Just a little bit on the inside. I've did a few videos before on the inside, but as we're gonna do, this is gonna be kind of a quick little review over the interior. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna give you an idea of what kind of car this is. Okay, this is a V8, 455 horsepower, 6.2 liter engine, manual transmission, stick shift, 6-speed manual. Camaro. As you can see, the speedometer reads, this thing won't top out. It's 330 kilometers per hour. There's a navigation window. We'll light that up. As you see, the push start button right there. Chevy MyLink. So this controls the heating, the AC. Just go back and forth this way like that. This is the parking brake right here. This controls the tour. You got tour mode, sport mode, snow and ice, and track mode. So the thing is, I'm not on the MPP exhaust anymore. Is I had it swapped out for a straight pipe, and what a difference. I recommend, if you have a V8 car, to get a straight pipe. So really, I've did a previous video where I kind of showed the underneath of my car. You can watch those under Sphere 98. Would be what you would want to look under as my username on the YouTube. So please, if you like this video, please subscribe. This is going to be, a good little video. It might not be that long, but it's going to be, it's going to be informative of what to expect when you get a straight pipe put on your car. This is a park in Burnaby. It's a very beautiful day here. It's almost summer in Vancouver. I thought this is a nice setting. It's not too busy, not too many people walking around. I thought I'd do a couple drive-bys. Just a little up and down on the street. And yeah, so we're going to start this car up. I'm going to put my phone down in a position where I can actually film. So if it's a little shaky, it's because I'm trying to set my phone up in a place where I can record my car driving by. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go outside the car, but I will start it up and you'll hear a cold start, fair cold start. I was driving the car about an hour ago. So let's go outside now and, I'll set my phone up and I will drive a few times back and forth here. And, you get an idea what the exhaust sounds like on a V8 with a straight pipe, 6.2 liter Camaro of a 2019 SS 1LE, and exactly what it sounds like. I hope this video gives some justice. If a person is interested in doing this to their car, I recommend it. It's been unbelievable. This car originally, the stock exhaust sounded good anyways. Like, it had a nice, crackly pop sound. And when you decelerate off the gas, when you let off the gas, you get a lot of popping from the back, crackling. But I thought I'd just get a little more volume to the exhaust. So I thought I would straight pipe it. So I hope you people like what you hear. So I'm going to go outside and we're going to hear what this car sounds like. There's my SS1LE Camaro. So So this is a cold start. Let's see what this sucker sounds like.